There's a cognitive effect of children who snore and children who have trouble breathing. And when I say have trouble breathing, it doesn't mean that they are gasping for air necessarily. If you notice that a child is snoring consistently and it's loud enough to be heard in the next room, that means that they're struggling. Their heart and their muscles are working harder while they're trying to sleep than they would when they're awake. Nobody snores while they're awake. So the airway is not collapsed while they're awake. So they can breathe when they're awake. It's when they're asleep and their muscles relax that they have this issue. They're working harder while they're asleep than they would during the daytime. So they're not getting rest. Sleep is the time to recover from all of the insults of the day.